Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Railfan here, and we got a train close to like 318 right now. The Lakeshore Limited is running very late today. Unfortunately, because I heard that it got stopped early this morning after leaving Cleveland. And then it got stopped after leaving Cleveland, like 10 minutes to 6 a.m. this morning, and it was stopped there for like after being stopped at 10 minutes to 6 after leaving Cleveland, and it was stopped there. Then it got moving, but then it stopped and was stuck there between Cleveland and Summerhill between 6 o'clock to through 8 o'clock and through 9 o'clock and through 10 o'clock hour. But here he finally comes after that long delay. Looks like we have a phase 7 or something leading. Awesome catch. Too bad it's running late, but awesome to see that Heritage unit again. And there he goes, running late. He should be at Syracuse at 3:37 or 3:31 after yeah. So he should be there at that station soon, a little bit soon, after his long morning delay, being stuck after leaving Cleveland, and then being stuck on a siding or somewhere, but for like 3 or 4 hours and a half, and didn't get moving, and because he was, and that's him again at the private crossing, and he was stuck. So he was stuck there after leaving Cleveland and being stuck on a siding or somewhere. He was stuck there around through the 6 o'clock hour, through the 7 o'clock hour, through the 8 o'clock hour this morning, and through the 9 o'clock hour, and then halfway through the 10 o'clock hour. But then, from what it showed on the map, but then it showed on the map that he finally got moving again, finally, at the end of the 10 o'clock hour, and then finally were able to reach Pennsylvania, Erie station this morning, finally. He arrived there like at 11:35 after he was supposed to get there at like 7 something a.m. something around the 7 o'clock hour, but he got there around 11 o'clock hour, around 11:35 this a.m. this morning, running late. But yeah, there he goes anyway. It was 1:08.